Hello, everyone. Cathy, Sabater, mortgage planner and proud veteran. I'm here with Tony Raya of Spring EQ. Today's topic is HELOAN and HELOC because a lot of people are considering they have a lot of debt. So how do I take care of it without it messing up my credit and or home improvements, right? So with that being said, Tony's one of our account executives to assist us with you knowing the difference between the HELOAN and the HELOC. Thank you, Tony.
You got it. Thanks for having me. I'm happy to talk about it. So two of the most popular mortgage products overall out there in the marketplace. So I always like to kind of define the acronyms in the first place. So HELOC simply stands for Home Equity Line of Credit. So it's a line of credit. The HELOAN is a home equity loan. So it's a one-time loan, much like a traditional second mortgage that you would get. So it really they're both home equity loan products. They're just operate differently. So that's really the difference between the two on the surface.
So I usually recommend most of my clients to do a HELOAN because it is a fixed loan and we want to make sure you can manage the payment because most of us don't want to get rid of our low interest rate. So this provides you the opportunity to take out a HELOAN or a HELOC. So when you do a HELOAN, let's say, for example, you have $100,000 worth of debt and your payments are like $2,500 a month. I would then say, hey, Tony, I got somebody that I think we can help because we could potentially take that $100,000 plus add some closing costs, plus add some reserves for you so you have money because my goal is to make sure you become your own bank. And now you can now pay off all your loans. And more than likely, the payment's going to be less. Can't promise you anything, right, Tony?
Yep. Right? But more than likely.
More than likely, because most of the people who are doing it, I give you an example. I have a family right now. They have a whole bunch of debt. And so their payments are coming out to maybe $2,200 a month. So with doing a HELOAN versus a HELOC, where Tony says a HELOC is a line of credit, I could take out $100,000 that I qualify for, but only pull it out when I need it. So the payment is due on the amount that you take out, where HELOAN, I want all my debt paid off. I want some money in the bank and I want to go on vacation. And hence that family is more than likely going to save about $1,000 a month. And most importantly, have money in the bank. So what is really a home equity line of credit? And then what's a HELOAN? Because at the end, we're actually getting you another loan. So you have to understand it is the equity from your home. So what's equity?
Yeah, I mean, great question. So I'm going to answer it and I'm going to throw you a curveball. So equity, simple, is it's the value of your home. And then you subtract out whatever balance you have on that home in mortgages. So if your home's worth $500,000 and you owe $250,000, then you've got equity of $250,000. That would be 100%, which banks don't lend on. But we do go to 90% of the value of your home with good credit scores. So if you took 90% times the value of your home and then subtracted out what you owe on your home, that remaining amount is how much you could borrow. So let's just say for simplicity's sake, you can qualify for a $200,000 home equity loan, whether it's a line of credit or a loan. You can get access to $200,000. Now, line of credit, very simple. It's a line that you could draw off of, pay it down, draw off of. It's most compared to a credit card where you could charge on it, you can pay it down, you can charge on it. You're only going to pay interest based on the current balance. Your payment is based on the current balance. So everything is all about real time. You know, you're only charged based on what your balance is. Okay. And the beauty is over time with our products, it's 3 years, you can continue to draw off that line. So I always explain it as you are a doctor. Okay. And you have a borrower that comes to you who's the patient, and they're going to tell you their symptoms. You know, I've got a kid going off to college. I need access to a line of credit for the next 3 or 4 years. Or I'm doing some home improvements. I'm making the improvements over the next 9 months or so. I don't need all the money today. A line of credit's a great idea because you could just take what you need now. Let's say you need to do, $30,000 right now. You're going to need another $15,000 in 4 months, and then another $25,000 after that, and 2 months after that. That's going to complete your project. Line of credit is perfect because you're only paying interest based on the balance. You're not using all of it at once. It's a great way. If your symptoms are, look, I need to consolidate $100,000 of debt. I don't need money for anything else. I don't foresee needing money for any other reason. I just want it all now to pay off all of my debt so I can consolidate it all together, corral my debt, start paying it down, and really gain control of my finances. Boom. There's an example of symptoms are, hey, I need all the money now, don't need any later. Then prescribe a home equity loan for the reasons you brought up. Rates are fixed. They never change. Your payment is the same every month. It's a fully amortized loan, much like when you get a regular old 30-year fixed first mortgage, right? You know, I'm borrowing at this percentage for this much money over these many years. My payment is blank, never going to change. Same thing with a HELOAN, a home equity loan. You know how much you're going to borrow. You know what the rate is. It's never going to change. You know what the payment is never going to change. And you know when you will pay it all off if you were to keep it the full term. So those are the different loans, how they each work, and kind of how I prescribe how you would use each one. Now, here's my curveball. Okay, so a lot of people would say to me, hey, you know, I want a line of credit, but I don't want a variable rate because I don't know what the rates are going to do. Because every line of credit you typically will find out there is the lines of credit. Again, HELOC typically is an adjustable rate loan. It's prime rate plus margin. That's your typical HELOC. And right now we're kind of in a market where the rates should be coming down. So a lot of kind of financially savvy people are like, you know what? I'm betting on the come. Rates are going to come down. The Fed is going to continue to cut the prime rate. I want the variable rate for that reason, no matter what I'm using the money for. Other people are nervous. There's a lot of conservative old school people, and they're like, hey, if I can borrow money at a rate that's fixed, I prefer that. Fantastic. You can't get a line of credit where you could draw on it with a fixed rate until now. We offer a fixed rate HELOC, which is something that people don't, again, typically offer. It is the benefits of line of credit. I could borrow on it, pay on it, borrow and pay with a rate that's never going to change. Now I know what my rate will be for the life of my loan, however long I have it. And the payments are principal and interest each month. And as you pay it down or charge it up, that each month the principal interest will adjust so that it is scheduled to be paid to zero come term of the loan, whether it's 30 years or 20 years. So basically we have variable rate HELOC that everybody has with interest only payments. We have a fixed rate home equity loan, fully amortized. And then we have a hybrid product where it's a line of credit with a fixed rate and principal and interest payments. So it's the best of both worlds. So basically that's the whole gamut of them, including the curveball.
Okay. So you heard it. So there are two ways of getting a equity loan. One is a HELOAN where it's fixed. Then you have the equity where it's a HELOC where you draw on it, and that's variable. But now they have a new product, which is a hybrid, which means, what does that really mean to you? That means it saves you money per month. Because if you have a line of credit for $200,000, but you're only going to use $40,000, that interest is only on the $40,000. So that is that's great news for our clients moving forward. Well, Tony, thank you so much for your time. We truly appreciate it. Have yourself a wonderful day.
Thank you. And good luck to you. Thanks.
Bye.